Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Farm and Farm, and today in this video we will learn how to calculate the capacity of capsule filling machine. After watching this video you will be able to calculate that how much capsules are filled per minute or per hour by the capsule filling machine. Mean when a machine is running at a defined speed, how much capsules are filled at that speed can be calculated, and we will learn in this video what will be the benefit of calculation of capsule filling machine capacity. If you know the capacity of your machine, mean how much capsules are filled per hour, you can easily calculate the time required for the filling of a specific batch. So if you have not subscribed my channel, first of all press the subscribe button, and if you do not know how to calculate the capacity of tablet compression machine, the link is given in description. And now let's start our video. Capacity of capsule filling machine can be calculated by using two formulas, and these formulas are based on RPM and SPM. Everyone of you is familiar with the RPM, mean rounds per minute or round per minute, and what is the SPM we will also discuss in this video. To understand the capacity calculation formulas, first of all you must be familiar with the basic structure of the capsule filling machine, which will be helpful for you to understand the terms used in the formula. For a capsule filling machine, basically we have a main rotating station which have different segments, and each segment contain cap bushes and body bushes where our caps and bodies are placed during the capsulation process. So this is the main station and it is the rotating station. This station has different segments like 1 2 3 4. In this diagram our station has 10 segments, and each segment has holes or cavities where our caps and bodies are placed. And in this diagram our machine has 14 holes or cavities or cap bushes and body bushes. This one is the rough diagram for the tamping pins. You are familiar that tamping pins are used to fill the powder or granules into the capsules. So here we have the 14 tamping pins. Now how these two formulas are used to calculate the capsule filling machine. First one is the RPM. First of all we will discuss the RPM formula, and second one is the SPM formula. What is the SPM? SPM is the stroke per minute. RPM formula can be used for both powder and pellets filling, and SPM formula can only be used for the powder or granules filling, because in the filling of the pellets we do not have the installation of the tamping pins. So here the filling of pellet is without tamping pins, so strokes cannot be calculated. So for pellets we can only use the RPM formula, and for the powders or granules both formulas can be used. Now we will calculate the capacity of capsule filling machine by using the first formula, which is the RPM formula. For the RPM formula we must have certain values, and these are the RPM of the main station, mean how much RPMs are completed by this main station, or how many rounds per minute are completed by the machine main station. In our case our machine is running at the RPM of the 6, and other value which we need is the number of cap and body bush segment, mean how many segments are attached with the main station. So in our case 10 segments are attached with our main station. Next one is the number of holes for cap and body bush per segment, mean how many holes per segment are available, and in our case 14 holes are available. Next one is the 60. By multiplying this formula with 60 we will get the value in per hour. So when we will solve this statement, mean our RPM are 6, number of cap and body bush segment are 10, number of holes for cap and body bush per segment are 14. The answer will be the 840 capsule per minute, and when we will multiply 840 by 60, the answer will be the 50,400 capsules per hour. So in this way we can calculate the capacity of capsule filling machine by using the RPM formula. Now we will calculate the capacity of capsule filling machine by using the SPM formula. What is the SPM? SPM is the stroke per minute. What is the stroke in capsule filling machine? When we are using tamping pins for powders or grains filling, our tamping pins move upward and downward, and this upward and downward movement is known as stroke. So in the stroke formula we must be familiar with the stroke per minute of our tamping pin station. For SPM formula it is very simple. We simply need the SPM, means stroke per minute, and number of holes for cap and body bush per segment multiplied by the 60. So suppose that our machine tamping pins stroke per minute are 60, number of holes for cap and body bush per segment are 14, and 60 is for per hour calculation. When we will solve it, our answer will be the 50,400 capsules per hour. So in this way you can easily calculate the capacity of your capsule filling machine in minutes and per hour. If you want to learn how we can calculate the time required for filling of a specific batch size, must mention in the comment. I will try to record the next video with practical example to calculate the time required for filling of a specific number of capsules. So if you like the video, share it to others, subscribe my channel. Also visit my website farmerinform.com. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz.